everyone. I'm Yashwant. And now, the lesson for us today is question tags. So, some of you are thinking that question tags are not important in English grammar, but it is very important. And now, I'm here to teach you question tags. First, let me tell you what are question tags. Question tags are small questions which are added in the end of a statement. There are two types of question tags. One is positive question tags and another is negative question tags. Statement plus a negative question tag. A negative statement some examples for question tags. First, positive question tag. First, let's see an example for positive. Reena is a student. What is a? We will have isn't here. Reena is a student. This is a positive sentence. So here, as told, a positive statement plus a negative question. So we will have a negative question tag here. Reena is a student. Isn't she? Now, let's see an example for negative. Negative. Now, let's see an example for negative. Elsa is not a teacher. here, Elsa is not a teacher. So this is a negative statement. So here we have a positive question tag. Here we have is she. These both are singular statements. Now let's see how to use them in plural. These boys will play. This is a positive statement, and now we will have a negative question tag. Here we will have won't. Won't they? And now, at last but not the least, as plural sentence for negative. Now we wrote 4 sentences for all these. Now, in this sentence, this is a positive sentence because is in the sentence. For is, we will have isn't. Now, for negative, singular. Elsa is not a teacher. In this sentence, is not. So, here is she. Here now, plural, positive. These boys will. We have for will, won't. We have used will, that they will come, like that. For here, negative, so won't. And now, they will not come. They will not come. Here and now, in negative, plural, will not. So, that they are coming, they are telling that they will not come. Here, a positive one. Will they? So friends, I hope you learned something useful from this video. I'll meet you in my next video. Until then, tada, bye-bye from me, Ashwin.